Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name where we dive into all things gardening. Today we're talking about a super exciting topic that's taken the gardening world by storm, trending plants. From social media sensations to viral gardening hacks, I'm here to guide you through the ultimate collection of trending plants that you can easily grow in your garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, there's something here for everyone. So, let's get started. Trending plants are more than just a fleeting fad. They're a reflection of current interests, aesthetic trends, and even wellness practices. With platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, certain plants have become stars in their own right. Not only do they add beauty and intrigue to your garden, but they can also be a great conversation starter and a way to connect with a global community of gardening enthusiasts. First on the list is the Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant. Its large, perforated leaves are iconic and have become a staple in home decor and gardening alike. The best part? It's relatively easy to care for and thrives in both indoor and outdoor settings. Just ensure it gets indirect sunlight and moderate watering. Next up, the fiddle leaf fig. This plant has been a hit for years and shows no signs of slowing down. Its large, lush leaves can instantly elevate the look of any space. Although it's a bit more demanding in terms of light and humidity, with the right care, it can become the star of your garden or home. Succulents and cacti have taken the internet by storm, especially for those who love low-maintenance plants. These hardy little guys are perfect for anyone new to gardening or those with a busy lifestyle. Plus, with so many varieties, you can create an entire garden dedicated to just succulents. Alocasia, also known as the elephant ear plant, is another trending plant that adds a bold, tropical vibe to your garden. Its large, striking leaves can become the centerpiece of your garden. While it prefers a bit more humidity and care, the visual impact is definitely worth the effort. Edible plants like kale, microgreens, and a variety of herbs are not just trending, they're incredibly practical. With more people focused on healthy living, growing your own superfoods has never been more popular. They're easy to grow, harvest, and incorporate into your daily meals. Now that you know which plants are trending, here are some quick tips to help you grow them successfully. Understand the needs. Each plant has its own set of requirements. Make sure you know the light, water, and soil preferences. Start small. If you're new to gardening, start with a few plants. As you gain confidence, you can expand your garden. Use social media for inspiration. Follow gardening hashtags and accounts for tips, tricks, and creative ideas on how to style and care for your plants. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new things. Gardening is all about learning through experience. Patience is key. Remember, plants take time to grow and each has its own pace. Enjoy the journey. Looking ahead, some of the upcoming gardening trends include vertical gardening, plant swapping, and the rise of rare and unusual plant varieties. As the gardening community continues to grow, it's an exciting time to be part of this green movement. That wraps up our ultimate guide to growing trending plants in your garden. I hope you found some inspiration and are ready to try out these viral plants yourself. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments which trending plant you're excited to grow. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.